Hey, what's up my friends? Today I'm going to show you how to make shakshuka. Shakshuka is basically eggs that are baked in a spicy tomato sauce. It's really easy to make, super delicious for a breakfast, but really awesome for a brunch. And I know for a fact that you're going to love this dish. So, all right, let me show you how to make it. All right, let's get cooking, my friends. The first thing you want to do is get a pan set up to a good medium heat here. And add a bit of olive oil. Just warm that in the pan for a little bit. And here I have a medium-sized onion that has been chopped into the pan, along with a red bell pepper that's been chopped. And I'm adding some spicy chili peppers because I like to spice things up, as you well know. And here I have a mix. I've got a small jalapeno and serrano. Nice little extra kick there into the pan. And you can use milder peppers or hotter peppers if you'd like. So we're going to cook this down for 5 to 6 minutes, or really until the vegetables really start to sweat and soften up. All right, this is all softening up nicely. So next we're going to go ahead and add some garlic. I have 3 good-sized cloves of minced garlic. I'm going to stir that up and let that gorgeous garlic bloom. But also I'm going to add some spices at this point and kind of cook them off a little bit. So here I have a tablespoon of paprika. And you can use your favorite paprika. I have some sweet paprika here, but you can use smoked paprika for a nice smoky flavor or a bit of hot paprika for some heat. And I have a half teaspoon of cumin, freshly ground, and some salt and pepper to taste. And I'm also going to add, this is a personal addition of mine, I have some spicy chili flakes from a variety of garden-grown peppers that it's like a medium hot blend for me that I love. It's a little hot for Patty, but she likes it. So go ahead and add this into your pan, and we're going to stir this all together, and we're going to cook it for just about 30 seconds to a minute. And next, we're going to add some tomatoes. And here I have a couple cans of fire-roasted tomatoes, and really you can use crushed tomatoes or even tomato sauce for like more of a saucy version. And you can also use fresh tomatoes that you've crushed, and it's really to your preference. And one other small addition that I like is just a little splash of hot sauce. This is my habanero batch number 8. So I'm just gonna add a little bit, an extra kick for me, and I'm gonna reduce the heat and we're gonna let this simmer for at a minimum 10 minutes to let the flavors develop. But you can go for half an hour or longer if you'd like to really let this sauce get very delicious and meld all the flavors. And you can add a little bit of water if you need to if it starts to dry out. But let this simmer and then we will be back to continue with our shakshuka. All right, check it out, guys. My sauce is looking really good here. It's been simmering for a little over 20 minutes. So the next step here is to add some fresh cilantro. I have about 3 tablespoons of fresh chopped cilantro. It's gonna give it a nice little fresh herbal flavor. I just love cilantro. But you can skip cilantro or use something like parsley. There's other herbs you can use as well. Really, your favorites can be used. So now the next step, let's do the eggs here. I have 6 eggs, 6 large eggs. And I'm gonna crack them into the sauce, but I like to make a little indent with a spoon before I crack it in there, just to give it a little room to sit. Otherwise it could wind up kind of running all over the top. Break a yolk. So you're gonna crack 6 eggs into your sauce and kind of spread them out evenly. And what you can do if you'd like to is spoon some of the sauce here, get some sauce here, a little bit over the egg whites if you want to kind of help them cook a little bit more evenly. And we'll go ahead and cover it up, and we're gonna cook the eggs here for about 6 to 7 minutes, really until the egg whites set. And then we can get to enjoying some shakshuka. So shakshuka is actually a really fun recipe to play around with as a cook. You can use different ingredients and spices to really make super interesting combinations. Like I like to make a Mexican style version by using chili powders like ancho and guajillo and maybe some spicy chorizo, which is just delicious. You can do something like a Southwest style version or a Cajun style with Cajun seasoning blends and maybe some tasso ham. Delicious. You can also use something like gochujang to put into the saucy mix to give it more of a Korean spin. So it's definitely something you can play with and have fun with. All right, check it out. Woo. Oh yes, look at that. It's looking amazing. So at this point, I'm gonna let it simmer for just a little bit longer until the eggs kind of set a little bit more. But here I like to do just a little touch of a little salt and pepper just to make sure we're seasoning it up. And just some extra chili flakes just for some delicious color. Chili flakes are always nice. All right, so let me just let this simmer for just a little bit longer, and then we'll garnish it up. Got some fresh cilantro here. Kind of spread it all around there, make it look nice. Give it a little fresh pops of delicious herbs here. And some crumbly feta cheese. You can use other crumbly white cheese as well, like a nice queso fresco, queso blanco. I like feta. It's adds a real nice brininess. Delicious. All right, pull up a chair, my friends. Let's eat some of this. Seriously, I love this stuff. Shakshuka, my friends, that is how you make it. I think you're gonna love it, and I'd love to hear what you think in the comments below. And I definitely can't wait to see you at the website at chilipeppermadness.com, where I have lots and lots and lots more spicy recipes waiting there just for you. So, all right, I'll see you in the kitchen next time. Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Bye.